Today we are going to discuss about the topic in space mechanics subject is Encke method. In last video we said that about we have to determine the any disturbance phi by any other objects or material. We have to analyze what are the or what is the stability of the main object or satellite. So in these problems we have to analyze two method. First one is Cowell method and the another one is Encke method. So is this Encke method, it is to calculate the perturbations are affected the satellite. So what is the perturbations? Perturbations means it is a type of disturbance from the other or third other body of the object. So and the second one is it is the orbit errors. These are the one main criteria for the satellite we have to encounter from this. And the third one is we have to calculate is the actual orbit. Actual orbit is equal to reference orbit plus small deviations. These are the calculation method of the Encke method. So the actual orbit it indicated as RA is equal to reference orbit is R reference plus the small deviation is del R. So this is the equation we have to calculate or observe from the Encke method, and the steps we have to focus upon the Encke method is first we have to analyze or first we have to find these are the we have considered as these are the orbit path, this is the orbit 1 and this is orbit 2 and this is level of orbit 3. Now you can consider the satellite, it will be having the rotate from this pair and it is transferred to the another pair and finally it is transferred to the another transmit. So these are the we have to engage in this experiment is orbit error like drag error or other particles and materials. These are the error particle from the Encke method. So commonly the Encke method it will be having some type of limitations. What are the limitations during the Encke method is it is not adapted for the long type injection error. It is only adapted for the small deviation or small transfer from one orbit to another orbit. And another limitation is it will be having the lifetime to calculate the satellite is a very low. So for adapting the calculation, we have to input the fuel to the satellite or fuel to the orbit injection part. At that time, the limitations will have to rectify. Now the advantages of this Encke method is it is used to predict or calculate the deviations accurately from one orbit to the another orbit satellite part. So this Encke method will be having the adaptive function for the another type of method. Previously I said that it is one type of a Cowell method. So in this Encke method it is used to we have a doubt for it will be adapted for two body problem or n type of body problem. First we have to analyze about the two body problem means it will be having the directions, it will be x and y. And n body problem means it will be having the many directions like x, y, z like etc. or theta and pi or etc. So this is the case of the n body and many body problem. So these Encke method are howly or this Encke method is only adapted for an in-body type of problem. Thank you.